Stop sign?
Left lane, so folks are going around that. Then you get down to the third crash, which is just before the Conference 24. A couple vehicles are heavily damaged, blocking the two left lanes here. And then once you're on
the hell are you doing?
You're not out of the way. There's a crash down.
Exit dive. Okay, that was straight from the turn lane. That was illegal. Take the right on red, dum-dum. Come on. Right on red, come on. Go to right on red, come on. Oh, you're an asshole. Second time you did that. Shop. Look, go. Toyota roll of stuff. Toyota roll of stuff. Yeah, whatever that was, roll of stuff. I don't know. Fudge bucket, fudge bucket, fudge bucket, fudge bucket. Stop, 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 stop! Nice stop. Nice stop. You're way past the stop line, lady, you know that? Probably shouldn't have gone, lady. You. See, who's this? Panicello? I don't know. Ran the red, though. WEBB, you're way too close there. That's a bit too close, too. Back off, dude. Thank you. Jesus Christ. No, you're not supposed to be in that lane. FWF. Get off my ass! NValleyonSolar.com. Thank you. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, we have places to go, don't we? Oh God, hit a British button to the world of favor. Back off, Infinitard. Thank you. I don't think you like being cut off, but whatever. Didn't I just get rid of you? Yellow. Red. Coca-Cola ran the red light. Yellow. Red. Green. Oh, nice cutoff. Nice. Nice. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. Roll it. Straight from the turn lane.